That's it right there. What you running there, man? Let me know what you running.
I'm running 4 17Ks, but only 2 of them hooked up.
Only 2?
Yeah.
And you the 1 per sub?
Yeah, I got 2 per sub now.
Yeah.
But normally I have 1 per sub.
I had to see what it's doing then. Well,
it do 165.
Ah, okay.
Without 4 hooked up.
It's up there then.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is it steel cage or just all wood?
All wood.
Really?
Yeah.
You did all the work yourself?
No. Jonathan Cortez, the one that sponsored it.
Yeah, JC, yeah.
Yeah, he did my bill for me.
Yeah, he do some good work.
Yeah, well, Scott did it.
They work together though. Yeah, him and Ben and all them. Yeah, they do some good stuff.
Yeah.
Most definitely. Where can they find you? Are you on social media anywhere?
You can find me Master P3864 on Instagram.
Yeah.
And Michael Turner on Facebook.
Okay, y'all be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, bro.
All right, appreciate it, man.
That's nice. Back up on see the amps.
Okay.
I didn't know if it was open back there.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.